Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to add website from Chrome to home screen. And the first thing you have to do is open up your Chrome. Now you tap on this, tap on Chrome browser, give it a few seconds to load. And once it's loaded, now you tap on the website you want to add to home screen. Let's say I want to add this one to home screen, I tap on it. Now the next thing, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Then you scroll down to add to home screen, tap on it. Now this creates a shortcut. You can edit the shortcuts, or you can just simply tap on add. Now you also confirm by tapping on add again to your home screen, or you can tap on the three dots at the top right corner, tap on add to home screen. Okay, the first time we did edit, now I want to show you how to edit. So tap on this. Now I can edit if I want here by tapping on the name, tap on add, and also tap on add again by so that's for confirming that you want to add it to home screen. It's like creating shortcuts. Now shortcuts have been created for that website. Now if I go back to my home screen, you can see it right over here. It is as simple as that.